Hey, I'm gonna try something new for one of my plant videos. I mean, it's like the third video, so I'm just trying new stuff, but here, let me know how it goes. You're just gonna get my thoughts as I go, you know, unrehearsed. So, this is an elm. If anybody knows what this is, I can't ID it right now. It's Calgary, Alberta, so, you know, I could look into it, but like I said, I'm going off the top of my head. This is an elm, this is an elm. You can tell by the vase shape. And as we get further on, there's, I'll show you as I'm going further down, but they end up looking kind of weird. A lot of the elms have like really black bark, and some of them don't, so I don't actually know what's going on, if there's something wrong with them, but they seem healthy enough otherwise. Well, my wife just called. Okay, is this an elm too? No, I don't think this is an elm. All right, okay. Yeah, I don't think this is an elm, but it could be. The bark doesn't look the same as that one, so off the top of my head, I would say this is something else. It might be a male green ash. Elm. Now this is where it starts to get weird, because these elms, they're supposed to have this vase shape, but I don't know if it's because they're not healthy, but once we get down there, I'll show you what I mean. Poplar, yeah, super popular pretty much everywhere in Calgary. They planted tons of them. There's male and female poplars. They used to plant a lot of the females, but they come up with this, like the cotton seeds and things. So you'll end up getting a lot of cotton and it'll get stuck everywhere, and it's really flammable. Also, it's just a mess. So these might still be the females, but they started planting the males around, so you get less of that problem. And okay, hold on. So here's one of those weird elms. It doesn't have multiple, like you see the vase shapes. It doesn't have multiple stands. It's just one, right? And they start looking like really weird as they get, like there's a lot of these too. You can't even see that that's there. So just one stick. So I don't know if there's something wrong with them. I mean, they don't look super healthy, but I don't know, maybe they'll be fine later on. Yeah, I think I was mentioning these galls on the poplars. Some poplars have tons of them, some have none. It just depends where they are. Apparently they don't really hurt the poplar, but I think they're made from a parasitic wasp or some other kind of insect, and they use it so that they can lay their eggs in there and come out later. I got so much more to say, and I'm not even like part way down the street. This is why I'm doing these videos, is because every time I look at a plant I can say stuff, and I'm like, I don't know that much about plants, but then I can't shut up about them. So anyways, I'll make more of these videos. Let me know how this one